to make info more useful. Compare year to year or peer. Consistent methods frame the picture, bring the story near. Independent minds can check the numbers you've shown. If they can reach consensus, confidence grows strong. These traits enhance usefulness, they make good info shine. Comparability, same methods across time and line. Verifiability, others check and broadly align. Timeliness, on time. Understandability, plain words help usefulness thrive. Speed matters when the window to choose is tight. Clear, concise reporting keeps the meaning bright. Don't hide the complex, explain the scene. Let capable readers keep their bearings clean. These traits enhance usefulness, but don't replace the core. If it's not relevant or faithful, we still need more. Keep the fundamentals first in every line, then let the enhancers make the signal shine. These traits enhance